last class we added Spring Boot starter parent and Spring Boot starter web, and we need to add Spring Boot build, Spring Boot mount plugin for the build. These things we need to add, and we need to save. We need to update the Maven project. Maven update project. Spring Boot gem. Yeah, it's added. Now we'll check what are all the Maven dependencies. See here, Spring Boot starter web, Spring Boot starter, Spring Boot auto configuration, Spring Boot starter, and locker dependencies, Spring Boot starter Tomcat embedded server also here added, embedded core, Tomcat embedded EL, Tomcat embedded WebSocket also here added, JBoss logging jar, and Hibernate validators here added. Jackson. Jackson jars is for we need to convert a normal text to an text to JSON way. If we need to convert at the time we need a Jackson jars. This will help. Spring Web, Spring AOP, Spring Beans, Spring Context, Spring Web MVC, Spring Expression, all these jars added. If we compare with previous Spring demo, we added 3 dependencies. How many jars here added? Only small. But here we added only Spring Boot starter web, but it added internally all the dependencies. Now we need to check what is the JRE. See, JRE 1.6 here is using, but we need JDK 1.8. For that we need to add a property. Here properties JDK dot version is 1.8.